Hey guys, welcome back to my organic farm. So today I'll be showing you guys a new method of growing a garden. This is called the raised bed agriculture. So this here is a concrete ring inside which I've got a combination of some red soil, some cocoa pit and some vermicompost along with some sand. And inside that I've also got my vermicompost pipe, the composting pipe, which I had shown you in an earlier video, which you can also have a look at. And basically this method is very useful during the summer months when there's a shortage of water, especially in a city like Bangalore where I live in. So what I do is in the summer I have about 5 or 6 of these beds where I get enough vegetables for the household to consume, and it reduces the water consumption by a large amount. The other advantage is that I get the other advantage is that I get to have a lot of control over the kind of soil that I put in, what is its composition, and the amount of manure. I can change it easily, so that's a huge advantage of something like this. So outside this concrete ring, I've also got another ring of sand, which basically is the reason I put that around is the bottom of this the concrete ring actually has a few holes which you may not be able to see because it's under the soil. Thing is, when I pour water into the inside of this concrete ring, some of the water goes down, seeps downwards, and doesn't get absorbed by the plant, so it gets wasted. So when you put these holes, they actually come out onto the outer ring, and that really helps. So, and instead of wasting all that extra water that's seeping out, we actually put a few more plants around on the outside. So let's just begin by putting in a sapling. So over here I've got a for these saplings that are going around the ring, I've got some brinjal, I've got some tomatoes, and I've got some chili plants. And inside the ring I'll be putting some some of the coriander and some fenugreek and spinach. So let's just start by repotting one of these saplings. So I'll take a chili plant for the first one. And we just put it in firmly so that it doesn't fall. So for the second hole, I'll be putting a tomato plant. You need to be very careful while you're handling these saplings because their roots can get easily damaged, so you have to be very careful while handling them. Make sure you don't put the plants too deep into the soil, otherwise you'll find it very difficult to grow. Also, since this is a tomato plant, you'll need to put a bit of support for it in the form of a stick or something later on, so that the thing doesn't fall because of the weight of the tomatoes that will be made by the plant. Alright, so on the inside of the ring, I'll be putting in my 3 greens, the coriander, the fenugreek, and the spinach. So for that, what I'll have to do is I'll have to put a few cropping lines around inside which I'll be putting the seeds in. So I'll just create those. Yeah, so those are the cropping lines. And now I'll be putting in my seeds. I'll take the fenugreek for the first line. Just space them out in equal amounts so that they don't fight for space. And not all of these not all of these seeds will germinate, so that is also another factor to keep in mind. Okay, so I'm done with putting in all the seeds, so I'll just cover them up. Yeah, so that is done. So we just need to water this adequately around, and that should be all. So you can see that there are 3 greens that have been put inside. And we've got brinjal, we've got eggplant, we've got chili, and we've got tomato. So that's 6 different vegetables that I've grown in what is hardly about 40 square feet. So this is a really useful method to grow plants in a smaller garden and during the summers when water is scarce. I really hope you guys try it out, and if you like the video, like it and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.